The State Congress today released a pamphlet of Bharat Jodo, Nyay, Yatra at the city office. All India Congress Committee spokesperson, retired Wing Commander Anumat Acharya, said that the Yatra will definitely have an impact, but she cannot comment whether it will convert into votes. Stating that somebody has to take on the fight against the government head-on, the AICC leader added that this Yatra is a reawakening for the people that all is not lost and not to be scared. Highlighting the key points of the Yatra, she said that the Yatra will deal in raising the issue and creating awareness on economic justice, social justice and political justice. The Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra is scheduled to start from Imphal on January 14 and cover a distance of 6,713 km across 12 states.
Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, which is commencing from Manipur, from Imphal, and it is going up to Mumbai. It is a 66 days yatra covering around 6,700 plus kilometers, passing through 110 districts, and it will likely to finish on the 20th of March.
NPP leader and